A very good afternoon, everyone. Here we have Ria Shetty, none other than topper of Omkar International for 2020 ICSE board results. Good morning, Ria.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. So usually what happens is whenever you outscore, when you score a lot of marks, and whenever you bring percentages way far more than others, you get a lot of exposure, and you come into limelight suddenly, and everybody starts asking you questions: how to do this, how to do that, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
starting questions on you. So ये पहली बार चल रहा है कि इसके पहले आप ऑलरेडी कुछ और से बात कर चुके हो?
No, sir. This is my first time.
ओके ओके, सो अभी तक खाली फैमिली में चल रहा होगा.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, so Ria, do you have any siblings, younger brother, sister?
Yes, sir. I have a younger brother.
You have a younger brother. Which standard is he in?
He is now in sixth standard.
Okay, he's in sixth. So you have unknowingly created a lot of problems for him, frankly.
Yeah, right.
He's going to kind of slightly not like you for next 4 years. He'll be every now and then shouted at. Okay, so I hope you gel with him very soon.
Yeah.
आप छोटे भाई की पढ़ाई लेते हो?
What, sir?
आप छोटे भाई को पढ़ाने बैठते हो कभी? Do you help him with
Yeah.
studies?
Yeah, sometimes. Even now, he has his weekly test going on. So, yeah, sometimes I do help him with his studies.
He listens to you.
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
That's quite an achievement, you know. Siblings usually don't listen to elder people. Okay, okay, fine. So before we start, Ria, you tell me your feeling. Like, what you were you expecting topping Omkar International?
Yeah, like I expected doing that. It was my dream to do that because the last year the one who was a topper he scored 98.5. So I always wish for scoring more than that so that even I could set a benchmark for other students, and then
Great.
they would look up to me and they would try more hard to like overdo my score. So
Okay,
I
can you just
always do.
give me the exact percentage you scored?
Like best of six, I scored 98.66, and if we see best of five, then I've scored 98.8.
98.8. Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
So ICC takes best of five as well.
Yes, sir. Best of five is considered, provided we don't consider the optional subject. But in my best of five, I've considered the optional subject, which was physical education.
So 98, right?
Yeah.
You know, strangely, that's almost my weight. Okay, okay. So jokes apart, we'll step ahead with some questions.
Yes, sir.
So my name is Sachin Dubey. I'm from Real Academy, and Real Academy is a private coaching institute in Dombivli, which has other 7-8 branches across Mumbai. And we cater 8, 9, 10 CBSE, State Board, ICSE as well. And we have a good range of students catering from all these schools across Mumbai, and they always aspire to score good. And every year we have some kind of work mode, and this year our work mode is assured growth. So this very simple idea is, अगर कोई बच्चा 50% भी लेके मेरे पास आता है तो मेरे इस साल के बाद कम से कम 55-60 पे जाना चाहिए, और अगर कोई 97 लेके आता तो कम से कम 98 पे जाना चाहिए. 1% growth is also fine, but growth is important. So
Yes, sir.
this particular interview is also a part of that. We need our students to learn from whatever you have been through. I want them to grasp as much as they can from your struggle or from your path that you have run on. And as a whole, we somewhere are doing this session to, of course, promote you, congratulate you, and bring you out on the social media on our platforms, and at the same time help our students learn certain things. Fine. So
Thank you, sir.
the questions that I have with me are the questions that are put forth by our students. हमारे बच्चों ने ही कुछ questions
Okay.
frame, और वो questions मैं आपसे पूछने वाला हूँ आज, और इन questions के through हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं बच्चों को उन सारे doubts का answer clear करना चाहेंगे जो उनके दिमाग में है.
Okay,
Fine.
sir.
Okay, okay. Can you see the question, Ria?
Yes, sir.
The question says, what was your day schedule? So you must
Yeah.
have fixed school timing, fixed class tuition timing.
Yes, sir.
So can you just brief me about how did you spend your day?
So initially, I used to have a school from 7 to 1, and then classes from maybe 4:30 to 8:30. So I used to get a very little time to like study on my own or for self study. Still, I used to take out 1 hour a day or 1 or 2 hours a day to study or revise the things which were taught in school and classes. because it's important. If you revise the things, then you can get hold of it and it's easy for you to remember things.
Okay, so somewhere you're saying apart from class as well as school, you used to definitely come out with 2 hours per day to
No,
revise
not
that.
definitely, but yeah, like it depends, like 1 hour or 1.5 hour or 2 hours someday.
Okay, to revise the things that are already taught on that particular day in the school as well as class, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I take from this is revising things on that particular day is important.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So another question that just aligns with this one is, which kind of a student you are? Like some people are ones who can stay awake late night, and some people get up early. So which one is you?
The late night one.
Okay, I'm also the late night one. Yeah, I can actually stay awake all night and get sleep at
Yeah,
5 in the morning.
same, same, same.
And actually connect with it because बहुत शांति होती है and people don't
Yes,
disturb you.
true. It's very silent at night, so it's more like it's peace to study at night. You can calm your mind and focus on your studies. It's good.
Okay. Okay. So your day was actually equally balanced between school, class, self-study, and self-study part used to majorly come at the night. That is what we can say. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yeah, right.
So also did you have some practice like this कि रात को अगर मैं बैठ रही हूँ तो I'll do maths, I'll not by heart because by heart किया तो नींद आएगी, solve किया तो नहीं आएगी.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Maths, yeah, we can solve maths even hearing to music or something. That's
Yeah.
if you, yeah, like if you get to, like, if you know the concept very well, then you can do that.
Fine. 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 So we'll move on with the next question, which says how many hours of self-study did you put in? I guess you've already answered this question,
Yes, sir.
but I will try
Want to do a,
slightly modify this. So the misconceptions that my students have, मेरे बच्चों को ऐसा लगता है कि स्कूल और क्लास से मिला हुआ जो होमवर्क होता है, that also comes under self-study only. And my
oh,
perspective is no, that is not self-study,
no.
right?
Yes, sir. It's not self-study.
So how do you define the word self-study? Like what do you do exactly in self-study?
Everything which has been taught in school and classes, we have to take out all the notes of it and then go through the lessons once or read the lessons once. And yeah, that's all.
Okay, so self-study in
And take
I
out
would
your doubts, and then next day you may go to school and ask the doubts to the teachers.
okay. So basically, you can say to analyze how well have we gathered or captured things from
Yes,
whatever has
sir.
been, and whatever doubts get collected, we ask them the next day, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is an important note for students from the topper of Omkar International ICSC that homework self study का part नहीं है, ठीक है? Homework आपको अलग से करना है, self study अलग
Ah,
होती है.
yeah, right.
Great. Okay. Next question is what should be done to score good in subjects that you dislike? So before that, tell me with the one subject that you did not like at all.
Physics.
I'm a physics faculty, by the way.
Yeah, like I
So
didn't like it. I feel something what makes a subject difficult is when we don't understand the concept properly. So, like when I didn't like the subject, I what I did was I went through the concept again and again, and then related it with the practical world so that it helped me. Like even we can watch videos on YouTube because the visual understanding helps us more.
physics को ही मान लेते हैं आपको नहीं पसंद था you're not able to relate it much. So
Yeah,
how did what is the score in physics? कितना आया आपको physics में?
96.
इसको difficult कौन बोलता है? Okay. So having a certain amount of dislike, how did you manage to score 96? What was your plan of action for that subject?
So when we got last 3 months, like we got that for self-study, we had holidays in schools and classes. So what I did that I focused more on physics. I started highlighting points, taking out important points from the lesson, wrote it down because it makes it easier to like at the last moment we don't have to go through the whole lesson and read the whole lesson. We can just refer the important points and then we're good to go. And what I did was I watched many videos on YouTube regarding the experiments and drew diagrams because diagrams help us understand it better.
Correct, correct, correct. Okay, so being a physics faculty, I would slightly add on to this. See if you relate to me. What I feel is majority students have a fear for numericals, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Moreover, they are twisted.
Yeah, right.
में शुरुआत कैसे हुई थी कि एक पेन 4 रुपए का है तो 2 पेन कितने का? That is when we started solving word problems, right? And
Yeah.
now coming down to physics, there are a lot of things that come together. right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So my take on this is usually any chapter you take up, you first of all make sure you are thorough with all the laws or concepts that are mentioned,
Yes, sir.
all the laws and concepts. One, once that is done, you should make sure that all the derivations are something that you can do on your own. You
Yes,
can
sir.
derive. और अगर सारे लॉज और सारे डेरिवेशन आपको आ गए, अल्टीमेटली गारंटीज की फॉर्मूले सारे याद हो गए, बिकॉज डेरिवेशन आ गया मतलब फॉर्मूला आ गया.
Huh.
And once that is done, you can go ahead with numerals.
Yes,
So
sir.
I hope this thing is 11th science, right? Because I have heard that you already started with 11th science, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So your take on this is जो भी वीक सब्जेक्ट है उसको आप लास्ट के टाइम पे जो भी आपको एक्स्ट्रा टाइम मिलता है उसमें बहुत फोकस करो, उस पे
Huh.
ज्यादा मेहनत करो. One thing that some of my ex students told me that whenever they found a weak subject, they used to spend every day 45 minutes or half an hour on that. So do
Yeah.
you think that works?
Yes, sir. Even I did that because
Okay.
yeah, physics and history also. Like I didn't used to like history that much, so used to read lessons like a storybook, and then it used to be like fun.
Fine. I get it. I
Yeah.
get it. Okay. So what I will take from this is अगर आपका कोई weak subject भी है तो भी उसमें 96 आ सकता है. That is
हाँ.
what you have proven you. और अगर कोई
Yeah.
आप strong है तो उसमें 100 के नीचे मेरे को नहीं चलेगा. That is what I'll tell.
Yes, sir. Right.
Fine. Thank you. Thank you, Ria. We'll go to the next question. This says, what notes or study material did you refer to? Like,
I'd say like what I used was the prelim papers of well-known schools, and definitely we have to refer the previous year's board question papers. Like not 10 years, 5 years, because there was a change in syllabus, so 5 years board question papers would be fine. Because a lot of questions from boards is repeated in the board papers, and also the well-known schools also repeat the like have questions which may come in the board, so it's important. And I would say we should not do the solve the board papers now, because not the entire portion has been done, so like it would make students feel that they don't know anything if they solve it now. So they should solve it later, so that like the 3 months which we get for self study should be just kept for solving the papers, and the rest of the months are for studying it well.
okay. So you're saying solving papers is important. Solving
Yes, sir.
papers of prelims of well-known schools is important because they set
Yeah.
the paper. And solving paper, keeping in mind the changes in the syllabus that have come, also is important,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yeah, we
But
have to stick to the scope of syllabus.
correct, correct, correct. But I think there is one more note to this question कि आप throughout the year study material क्या use कर रहे थे? Like, was there any publication you were following, or was there notes of your class, or is to
Yeah.
follow school notes? That is the
The
question.
yeah, okay. So the I used to just refer the books given by school. That was sufficient, and the notes which my classes provided. That's all.
So books from like textbooks from the school and notes from the classes, and then you have to
Yes,
take
sir.
out your own.
Yeah, I used to take out my own notes,
Okay.
like
One.
important points from both of the books.
Okay. Okay. You do club then.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Well, one question which is not a part of this question series, but I have in mind that now that we are talking about it, कि ICSE बोर्ड या फिर काउंसिल कितना entertain करता है own words के आंसर को.
Like every answer which I've wrote in the like in the boards now in English literature or history, you may say, they were all my own word answers, but keywords are necessary. Keywords are
Correct.
very important. If
Perfect.
we
Perfect.
just remember the keywords and then make our own sentence and put them into words, it's good.
Correct. For example, we cannot talk about Ohm's law unless we mention current, potential difference, and
Yes,
proportional.
sir.
These things.
Yeah.
How good you are at English.
Mm.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. So we'll go to the next question, Ria.
Yes, sir.
It's how should we cope up with online lectures? You're going through online lectures right now for your
Yes,
11th.
sir. Yeah, for 11th standard.
I guess some of my student is facing a difficulty because he or she is not used to this. The last
Yeah.
8 9 years he's been attending physical lectures, and now that he's supposed to attend online lectures on whatever platform we provide, so he maybe is facing some difficulty. So what are the things that you do for your online lectures right now?
So like in order to like what I do is I interact with the teachers a lot, and I keep answering the questions which they ask, because that prevent me from getting bored during the lectures. So that is one thing we should do. And sometimes there are network problems because of which the students will not be able to attend the classes. So what they can do is they should get all their doubts clarified. They should read the lessons because they've got their textbooks, I mean, it seems. And yeah, so they should read the textbooks and watch the recording if you provide them, and then take out the doubts and text the teachers and get it clarified,
Correct,
because
correct.
that's important to understand the concept properly.
I think there you have given a very spot on opinion that it's in your hand. तुम्हारे हाथ में है कि तुमको कितना समझेगा.
Yes,
If
sir.
you are hyperactive in the lecture and you participate a lot and if you keep interacting, you'll
Hmm.
get a lot. Second, if you pre-prepare, you like you read something before you attend the lecture, you go through
Yes,
the
sir.
notes, you read the textbooks, then you can attend, get the lectures. And third thing, that is after the lecture, you jot down your doubts, you send them to the teachers and get them solved, right? So
Yes,
I'll
sir.
particular question in 3 steps. One, pre-read whatever you're going to attend. Second,
Yeah.
be very interactive. And third, make sure that you ask all your doubts, right?
Yes, sir.
Great, great. Actually, I myself am getting a lot of points that I can tell my students in lecture so that they start coping up well. Really, thanks for being here in this session, Riya.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. How was your academic journey throughout the year? Were you always a school topper? So this is the question of one of the students that I am expecting to top next year. I will not name him. बट
Okay.
उसको ये डाउट है कि आप साल भर टॉप कर रहे थे कि लास्ट में सडनली आपने टॉप कर लिया, लाइक सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ में थे और अचानक से फर्स्ट आ गए, या फिर थ्रू आउट द ईयर आपको कोई बीट ही नहीं कर पा रहा था, लाइक यू आर अनबीटेबल थ्रू आउट द ईयर.
Yeah, like I used to get a rank since my childhood, but since fifth standard, I used to be a second ranker or a third ranker. So not the first one, but yeah, like I had been a ranker since childhood.
Okay, okay, okay. And in 10th standard particularly, all assessments and all, you got first rank only?
No, not all assessments. Even in prelims, I wasn't the first one. So it doesn't depends on the how like the rank or something in prelims or something. What you should do is study, and there are many students who you didn't even get good marks. They have scored 90 up in our school. So it's all up to you. Like in the last 3 months, whatever you do, however you study, you can go ahead.
Okay, so we are not saying that don't take prelims seriously, but we are also saying that prelims is not the ultimate judgment, right?
Yes, sir. Right.
The tables can still turn and you can still
Yeah.
come up with something good.
Because many schools set their prelim papers hard so that the children don't get overconfident about their marks. So
Correct.
nothing is on the prelim marks. You
Okay.
have to
So the
study.
answer to this question is yes, you are doing academically great throughout the year, but you are not always a topper.
Yeah,
You
not
turned
the
out.
first ranker always.
Okay, what is the second rank in Omkar this year? Like, what is the who's the student who's next? How
Sorry,
much
sir,
the
I couldn't hear you properly.
what is the score of second rank? I mean, what is the score in percentage?
98.5, just a 1 mark difference.
Okay, great, great, great. Fine. So the next question is how to maintain a balance between studies and extracurricular activities. So there are many students who are into activities right from childhood.
Yeah,
Okay. So were you
hmm.
into something apart from books? Did
Drawing
you?
and yeah, drawing, dancing.
Oh, great. So have you been for intermediate and elementary in drawing?
Yes, sir, intermediate and elementary.
And your grades were
B in both of them.
B. Nice.
Yeah.
I am pathetic in drawing. Like I am way far bad in drawing. So if I uh, draw a banana, it will look like an elephant trunk. So that's like way far different from what is actually expected. So okay, you used to be in drawing as well as dance, right? What kind
Yes,
of
sir.
dance? Classical.
Like I used to do dance, like Kathak, classical dance, just till seventh or eighth.
Okay, after eighth, you are not into that dance.
No, no,
And in 10th particular 10वीं के साल में आपने कितना एक्टिविटीज किया था बाहर या फिर बंद रखा था आपने?
नहीं बंद ही रखा था.
बंद ही रखा था. Okay.
हाँ.
So we are saying here कि for one particular you can just give up on the activities that you're doing if you want to just excel and outscore, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. ठीक है. No, fair enough, fair enough. Which subject you found was the most difficult to tackle and why? So you already answered this,
Physics.
but you did not tell me why was it difficult.
Yeah, because first of all, I didn't get the concept of the electromagnetism and the radioactivity, the last lessons. So, like like understood the concepts, clarified all my doubts from the teachers, related it with the practical world. Like as I said it earlier, the motion of a fan and all that helped in understanding me the laws. That's all.
Okay, okay. So you are saying you are a kind of student who would understand and entertain science only if you are able to relate to the physical world.
Yes, sir.
The moment the relation goes off, the difficulty starts coming.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so as a teacher, I take from this is I should make students relate to the world they live in maximum so that they're able to understand. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Fine. And you tackled it way you have already told me what you do about physics.
Yeah.
Next is what all should specifically a coaching institute do to help a student top his or her board exams? Like हमको क्या करना चाहिए, हमसे आपकी क्या अपेक्षाएं होती है एक स्टूडेंट की आईडी, and be
Okay.
very practical about this. Yeah.
Like you provide us everything which we need, but the visual knowledge is more good. Like if we see it on AV or something, then we remember things. Like whenever I used to write my exams, I used to visualize that thing. I used to those images would flash before my mind, and then I used to relate it and then frame answers or a storyline. Like if we show a story of Hindi or English, the MOV scenes which we had, if you have seen the pictures, then we can remember it in a storyline, and then we can get into the answers properly.
Okay, so you're saying we should be trying our level best to bring your textbook live in front of you.
Yeah, and
As
also not rote learning can will never help you. So
okay,
you should tell them to like related to every stuff, and even like I'll tell you the periodic table which we had. So for learning those elements from the periodic table, our teachers used to give us proverbs or poems, so that was very helpful. Like the first group element, we had like in the first group we had lithium, sodium. So we had a sentence said Lina ke RPCs farar. So Lina means Li, lithium. So na, yeah, you would be knowing that, sir. Yeah.
so that comes about teaching part. Okay, the teaching में किस तरह से होना चाहिए?
Yeah.
How important do you think is the role of exams and doubt solving that classes conduct?
Yeah, it's very important because we get to know all the kinds of questions which may come in the exam. So I gave a lot of tests. Like in classes, we had a major test, minor tests. So and even in school, we have weekly tests and prelims. So that was very helpful. Like we have to keep solving papers. That is what I said. Like in the last 3 months, what we have to do is keep solving the board papers or the prelim papers because it helps a lot. We get hold of all the questions, all the kind of questions, the twisted ones or the tough or the easier ones, which can be solved properly. And it will help us in the boards.
Okay, at one point did you skip your test, skip your exams because it's too much? बहुत exam हो रहा है यार, school भी ले रहा है, class भी ले रहा है, मैं पक गई. Let's just skip a couple of exams. Did you do that?
Not skip, but I didn't used to study for it and go. Like,
Okay.
yeah, like I didn't used to study and just go and attempt the exam because my mother would not used to allow me to skip the exam. She used to say, whatever you know, just attempt it. Like if you get score less, never mind. You would do it well next time, and it would be fine.
So exams को देना जरूरी है, no matter how much you score.
Yes, sir.
You somewhere down the line know na, you have not prepared yourself well and can just appear for the exam later on also preparing well, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. I've got my thing. Next question is, what are the ideal ways of keeping studies an enjoyable process and at the same time avoid pressure?
Yeah, because I'll tell you, I had a friend of mine because we used to study at night. Even she used to study with me at night. So we used to decide a time like by 2 we have to complete these many lessons. So
Separately अपने अपने घर पे.
अपने अपने घर. Yeah.
Because that
हाँ.
works. अगर साथ में बैठोगे तो पढ़ाई नहीं होती.
हाँ, yeah, right. So फिर ऐसे फिर then used to speak on the phone, and we used to decide that we have to complete these many lessons by this time, and then we used to call at 2 and ask each other if you have completed it. So the competitiveness makes you more enthusiastic and makes you learn more things in a lesser time. And then what we used to do is after 2, if we complete the all the lessons, then we used to have a Maggie break or something. Used to do a video call and then bake Maggie and eat it, or a coffee break. That's it.
So you kept it very enjoyable, I suppose.
Yes, sir.
You somewhere very fortunately found out a healthy competition way wherein you both of you are doing things at the same time, and also you're taking some small breaks and making it fun.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great actually. Uh, one thing that I want to ask here is at times ऐसा होता है कि एक particular subject मुझे जैसे physics मान लो, जैसे कोई subject आपको नहीं पसंद है, तो उसमें pressure आता ही है no matter what,
हाँ.
right? So, and in that situation, what kind of help did you expect from a teacher? Like, was there any physics teacher in class or school that you were approaching to
Yes,
get
sir.
your? Okay. So, what kind
Yeah.
of help? What kind of empathy or help did you approach for? And what did you get?
Just the doubts, because she can't teach you the whole lesson again, because she has got some other work to do. So what I used to do is, like, during the last 3 months when we had a holiday for the schools, I used to sit at home, read the lesson. As I told you, I used to take out the important points, and then I used to write all my notes in a diary. Then visit the school, and then ask the teacher all the doubts and get it clear.
Okay, talking to Ria, what I get is in your results, the major contribution is of n number of things that you yourself were doing, even though the class or the school or your parents did not ask you to do. For example,
Yeah.
you took notes, right?
Yes,
Then
sir.
you daily practice of sitting for a couple of hours so that you revise the same thing that day.
Yes, sir.
You are interactive in asking doubts and everything. Fourth, you had your night sessions along with the Maggie. So
Yeah.
there are things that you are doing on your own which are not on the plan card of either the school or the class.
Yes, sir.
What I feel particularly is that is very important. What you plan to do and how much is that productive. And there's all trial and error methods. ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि आप ये करो इससे हो जाएगा.
Because everyone has their own way of studying. So, like, I can't tell anyone that you do this or that.
क्योंकि अगर ये सुनने के बाद मेरे बच्चे काफी सारे बच्चे जो हैं नोटोरियस वंस व्हाट दे विल डू इज दे विल आस्क पेरेंट्स टू अरेंज मैगी रात को बिकॉज़ रिया दीदी ने बोला रात को मैगी खा के पढ़ाई करने का. ठीक है चलेगा. Get it. Can you just help your fellow juniors with some subject wise tips and tricks and help them outscore and be successful? Like one subject will go ahead with कि
Okay.
ये सब्जेक्ट के लिए क्या की पॉइंट है, ये सब्जेक्ट के लिए क्या की पॉइंट है, सो दैट ओवरऑल अपना जो एग्रीगेट है वो काफी अच्छा हो जाए.
Huh.
So,
So, English, we used to have two parts, which is English language and English literature. In literature, we had three books: poem, poetry, and prose. No, poetry, prose, and MOV. Like, that was too many lessons for us to study. So we should not go for question answers, but reading lessons would help us. Like, not for poetry, because we have to read all the poet's view on the poem, or whatever he wants to say from the poem, that all things. And from the story, we have to read all the character analysis. That is what we have to read in the question answers part. And other thing, we have to, as I said, we have to frame our own answers and write in the paper. So just reading the textbook or the particular lesson is enough for that. uh,
language more than question answers, understanding the plot
yes,
and
sir.
having command over that language is the key point. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir. And just the keywords from all the lessons.
Okay,
Then maths, yeah, so we have to pay attention in the class, so whatever teacher teaches, because if we don't understand the concept in any subject, we are not going to able to solve it, or write all the answers of it. So we have to like, pay attention in the classes for that. Then, yeah, like, each subject has the same thing, because, like,
so maths mein
science, math.
you have to be very attentive in the class. You can't afford not listening.
Yes, sir.
Then the second thing that comes is practice.
Yeah, practice.
See, many students studying maths. How is that relevant? Reading maths.
No, like, we can't read maths. We have to solve the sums, because when we solve different type of sums, it's more helpful. Reading, no, I don't prefer it, because you may forget things or the formulas or something. But when you like, write it and solve it again and again, you get hold of it, and then in the exam, you don't have to think over it. Like, you know what is going to be the answer.
Okay.
That
What
comes
about
only by solving the sums.
how do you remember reactions and how do you remember the properties? Chemistry कैसे deal करते हो?
Chemistry, yeah, chemistry is my favorite subject. So, uh, balancing तो हो जाता है, like, हो जाता है वो बैलेंसिंग, अभी उसका कुछ बोल नहीं सकते। वो तो ट्रायल और एरर मेथड होता है, सो वी हैव टू डू दैट। लाइक उसका भी हम लोग लाइक वी कांट बाय हार्ट इट, द बाय हार्ट ऑफ बैलेंसिंग ऑफ एवरी रिएक्शन। वी हैव टू लाइक ट्राई इट अगेन एंड देन ओनली वी विल गेट इट। देन
व्हाई डू यू थिंक केमिस्ट्री इज अ फेवरेट? ऐसा क्या क्या मजा आ गया केमिस्ट्री में?
लाइक मेरे को पसंद है केमिकल्स और रिएक्शंस, ये सब पसंद है मुझे।
अच्छा, आप करियर भी केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग में सोच रहे होगे शायद से।
हाँ या
ओके ओके फाइन। बायोलॉजी?
केमिस्ट्री, बायो, बायो तो हाँ।
Pathetic at biology, very bad at biology.
ओ या
As a
सेम,
student, yeah,
because like amongst the three sciences, what I used to score less was in bio. So like, but
yeah, but
it was fun to study it. Like what's sir?
there are many students in fact, who love biology.
Love
They're just
biology.
they're just amazed with plants, animals, how do they function. And
Oh,
I think that is the contribution of the teachers which who make the subject look so beautiful.
yes, sir. Right.
So did you practice diagrams in bio?
Yeah, because we don't have a lot of diagrams to draw as such, because most of them are for labeling. But yeah, we did have some diagrams to draw, so I used to practice them. So since I love drawing, it would be a stress buster for me. Like when you don't want to study anything or read or solve something, you can just take out the bio book and draw diagrams, practice them.
Okay, does bio has a lot of namings and properties and classifications and subtypes to remember?
Yes, sir. Like not in 10th as such. Like we had a lot of names, but what
The tree diagram like thing to have a hold or grip over it, or did you just do it chapter wise whenever it comes?
yeah, like I did it chapter wise, as I said, taking out important points. So those are the important words we know that these may come in the exam. So just highlight it or underline it in the textbook and then done.
What is your take in general on grammar and writing skills of language?
Like very poor. This is the subject in which I scored the least.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. But yeah, like grammar, again, the whatever teacher teaches you. So like, we can't by heart the grammar as such, because they are,
They have rules.
yeah, they have rules.
But
So
to practice,
even for grammar, our teacher gave us some easy poems or made us poems for that, so that we can we know that what comes after this, or in direct, indirect, how do we change the sentences. Yeah, that all.
okay, 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 okay. SS की बात की हमने. Yeah, you said is to practice for important points
Yeah,
and answers.
history, geography, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Geography, topo, we had a
Topography.
topo map. So yeah, again, the last year's paper, I used to solve them, and then if I get any doubt, refer like ask the teacher.
Okay, okay. So technically, that is the end of the list of questions that I had. And I really thank you for being here. And your family and parents are really blessed to have a kid like you, who's so candid, expressive, as well as hardworking and smart working. But before I end this session, Ria, I just have one question: that how much do you think is ICSC board ka studies important from further studies point of view, 11, 12 science studies point of view? Like how relevant are the subjects and how they are contributing?
Yeah, like now when I attend the 11th lectures, I find it more relatable, because the ICSC provides us like it's good, because it I find it easier now to like the 11th standard studies have become more easier because of ICC, because I studied in ICC. But it's not that other board students don't answer in my classes. Even they are quick in their answers. So it just depends on the concept, because each board has the same concept but a different language, or a little bit of modifications in their lessons.
Ultimately, it depends on the input and effort by the student, but
Yeah.
still, I gives you a better hand over the concepts.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Fine, fine, fine. So, on that note, my questions are over. Ria, is there anything you want to ask?
No, sir. I just like to thank you for inviting me here, and I hope I would have been of some help to you guys.
A lot. Okay, so whatever we do about this video, I'll let you know. Okay, I'll share the links and certain things with you. At the
Yes.
same time, on behalf of Real Academy, I'll tell you, not just your 11th, 12th, no matter up to what point of time in life, if ever you feel like getting a favor from, getting help from, getting something solved from, or any kind of guidance from Real Academy and the entire staff, feel free to ask. Okay, just feel at home, and we are all a message or a call away. Fine.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Stay home, stay safe, take care.
Yeah, same to you.